What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Ethereum today, ETH USD. It is the third day of November today, and here we are sitting at about $3,600. Yesterday, we were calling for the price to move up higher, and we were proven wrong. Unfortunately, we were proven wrong, but fortunately enough, we are at areas that we can depend on as support. I have a feeling if we look at the 1 hour time frame and the shorter time frames, we'll see some signs of readiness to bounce here. If not here, maybe a little bit lower. Down 8% on the day. The altcoins are feeling it, right? The average altcoin's down about 8.7% as a result, and Bitcoin's down 4.2% on the day, you guys. That's wild. A lot of this drop happening over the last hour, and I think that has something to do with the stock market coming down after today's open. So here we are just below 3,600. Let's look at the short-term stuff. We'll zoom out from there, see how far this is going to take us. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So $3,600 right now, 13 minutes left in this 1 hour time frame. It's a lot of volume. It is a lot of volume on this breakout too. That looks like a breakout move to me. That might suggest that we do have a little lower to go. The 1 hour RSI is providing bullish divergence. So is the MACD actually. And the stochastics even have bullish divergence. So really you've got bullish divergence across all three indicators on the 1 hour time frame. Again, that doesn't mean you're not moving lower. We have 12 minutes left in this 1 hour. You could next hour drop so far that you get rid of this bullish divergence, and then all in that same hour come all the way back up and close here, and then you have bullish divergence alongside of a significant drop and then a massive recovery. We're looking for a massive recovery. A little bit of a shakeout first and then recovery. That's what's going to happen. Absolutely, I believe that the price will be going higher. But here we are. Bitcoin's below 106K. Ethereum's below $3,600. Wild times we live in, you guys. I hope nobody's depressed right now. Everything's okay. Just breathe if you are, right? The price will come back. 4 hour time frame here. Looking at this, the RSI also promoting bullish divergence here between these 2 points. Building volume as you're breaking down. If we're looking at this from a relative low here to a relative high, maybe we'll take that high there. You're right at the 1414. You typically do wick a little bit through the 1414. So, I mean, bouncing off of this would look good in itself, but typically you do wick a little bit through it. It's either here or 3530 that we're going to find some support momentarily. Can we progress lower after that? Absolutely. But I think 3530 holds, or even this low here could hold as well. But again, the idea being that on the 1 hour time frame, while we do have bullish divergence, we have 11 minutes left in this 1 hour. The next hour could drop down and then come back up by the end of the hour. So to think that this is the low might be a bit, what's the word I'm looking for? It's like you're jumping the gun. It might be a bit hasty. Let's wait and see how this goes. The MACD is suggesting that we go lower. The stochastics are suggesting we go lower. And the RSI is weak, but we do have signs of readiness to bounce with this bullish divergence, double bottom in the RSI on the 4 hours. So at least we have that. Daily time frame, zooming out here. Rejecting the 50, or I guess rejecting the 45, coming back down. You were finding support. You had bullish divergence, higher lows, the whole shebang, and you just sacrificed all of it to break through the floor here. You really are breaking out, right? Right here we had support. If we go to the 4 hour time frame, we had support here, support just above, support right there, breaking out with high levels of volume, above average levels of volume. I mean, this is a true breakout. So what we're looking for is one of two things, right? Either continuation, we bounce at this double bottom, we might see a slightly lower low and then a reversal, or just immediate reversal going into this next 4 hour candle. We got 10 minutes left here, so this next 4 hour candle is going to open. I'm hoping that by the end of the day, we do see the price reverse a little bit. We don't need to close today green, but whoa, there was a fly. Dude, that freaked me out. It got like right on my hair. How are there flies still? It's November, man. It's cold. I'm going to kill that fly after this video. He's got a death wish now. Flies don't like karate, by the way. So if you see a fly and you do some karate, they will stay away from you for the most part. Anyways, what I was trying to say, besides swatting that fly there, man, it got me. I bet if you replay it, you could see it landed like right either on my ear or just above my head. I can't even remember. Anyways, I freaking hate flies, man. I really do. I would expect that we find support sooner or later. If we do go below this low, I can't imagine that we go below this low here at 350. And again, with this interaction, however low it is, the fact that we're below $3,600 at all is a blessing. If we go down this low or this low, blink and it will be over. We're going to have a very rapid recovery here. Ethereum is going one place and one place only, and that is higher to new all-time highs. Okay, we consistently find support at these levels. 6 days, 9 hours left in this week so far. Okay, we've got a lot of week left, and every week that we've had, we've actually closed right at this level where we found resistance before for over a year. Okay, so I really do think that by the end of this week, not only will we come back up, but we'll probably be closing this week above $4,000. There's a call for you, right? Here we are below 3,600. I wonder how many people are calling for Ethereum to close above $4,000 by the end of this week. I'm calling for it right now. If we're not above 4,000, at least 3,900, but I'd very much think that we're above $4,000 by the end of this week. We'll see how it goes. Looking for a massive reversal here. Starting off the week, starting off the month on a negative note. As you guys know, for me, I actually really enjoy that. I think that's a good look, and leaves us a lot of time and a lot of room to move back up and leaving a wick behind. So overall, very bullish on Ethereum. Overall, short term, a little bit bearish. We're at 35.90 right now with the prospects to go to 3,500, 3,300. I doubt we go, what was it, 33.50? Is that the lowest price that we go to? 33.50. I doubt we go below there. At this point in time, if I'm just being transparent, I even doubt that we go below this low on the 10th here at 35.10. But if it does happen, that's fine. We look at the liquidation levels here on Ethereum over the past 30 days. Ton of shorts, you guys. 8 billion in shorts. You literally have more in shorts than Bitcoin does in longs at this point, like by double. I can't imagine that this is sustainable for Ethereum. You're overdue, bears, for a massive reckoning. And I mean, man, damn, like half of your shorts over the past 30 days were put on today. A little bit less than half were put on today over the last 24 hours. You have $3.6 billion in shorts today, and your total shorts are 8.1 billion, right? So that's more than a third, less than a half, like 40% or something like that. I don't know, so somewhere in that kind of area. A lot of these shorts get reamed once we're at about $4,000. So that's where I think we're going to go. 4,000, 4,100 by the end of the week. I think we're going to see a massive squeeze. And starting from right now today, if not over the next day or two, we should see a massive reversal across the whole market as a whole. That's my expectation. So overall, Ethereum here at a low point, expecting $4,000 or more by the end of this week in the next 6 days here. And then from a high point here to a low point there, we're looking for an overall target of about $8,000 to $10,000 by the end of 2025. We'll consolidate. We'll continue to rally going into 2026. I think April, May, or June, we will find a $14,000 or higher price, $14,000 to $27,000 price. The true rally is about to begin. I don't think that we're in jeopardy. I don't think that this is the beginning of the bear market. The bears are very loud here. I was actually on x.com listening to, not listening, there was a post that I saw. Let me see if I can find it here. Let me see. Where is it? Where are you? Right, we're on the For You page. We're not on my following page too. So how many of you can go through your For You page and it's clean? That's the dirtiest thing we've seen is some dude with his losing pounds. Good job for you, by the way, Orangey. Losing weight. Good job. Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? There's this one thing. Yes, things like this, right? There's people who are posting things like this today, all day today, saying that, and showing charts, seeming super sophisticated. Just think about it like this, guys. If you're one of these people right now who believes that Bitcoin's about to go to $3,000 to $5,000, but you still believe it's going to go to 1 million by the end of 2028, you're effectively calling for Bitcoin to go from $3,000 to $1 million in a 2-year time frame. Like this guy's crazy. This guy's crazy. Don't listen to posts like this. No offense, Dread Bongo, but you're, again, brings me to my next point. Don't smoke crack. Right? Definitely don't smoke crack because there are a lot of crackheads out there right now. They are very loud, very, very loud bears who've been smoking crack in their little bear caves. And now that the price is at these low points, they're coming out loud and saying that the world is over, that the sky is falling, and that they were right all along. But at the end of this week, remember how loud these voices are. They're going to be very, very quiet, and then the bulls are going to be super loud. Which is going to be funny as well, right? I'm loud. I'm kind of different, right? I'm a bull, and I'm loud at the lows. In fact, I feel like I'm loudest at the lows. I have to be, because so many people, we got to fight back against the noise, man. There's so much BS out there, and I don't want to see people get swept up in that. I don't want to see people make the wrong decisions. I want to be very clear. This is probably the worst time to sell any cryptos for the remainder of the year of 2025. Maybe out of the whole year of 2025, this is the worst time to sell cryptos. The best thing you could do is hold, wait, and see the sunshine on another day, right? Today is not that day, but tomorrow, the next day, soon, very soon, we're going to see a massive bounce across the board. Mark my words. I got nothing else for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe. Take care of yourselves. I got a date with the fly. Bye-bye.